How to install fonts in macOS Sonoma. macOS Sonoma comes with a variety of fonts, but you can still add more in your system through several ways, including FontBook, folder, drag and drop in order to up your design game. Here's how you can use different fonts in macOS Sonoma via multiple ways. Installing fonts in macOS Sonoma. How to install fonts from FontBook. First, open the FontBook. Now go to the File menu and select Add Fonts to Current User or press Command+O. Next, find and select the font that you want to install. Now click Open. Click Install on the preview of the selected font. How to install fonts from folder. First, locate the font you want to install. Select the file and press Command+O. You can install multiple fonts at the same time by selecting them all and then double-click the selected fonts or just press Command+O. Click the Install button on the preview of the font. How to install fonts, drag and drop. First, select the font to install. Now drag it to the font book. Click Install button on the font's preview. If installing many fonts at a time, then you must click Install for each font. Besides this, there are many built-in fonts available on macOS Sonoma that you can easily add to your Mac and use them by downloading via FontBook. The fonts are already in Mac appear as grayed. However, you can remove duplicate fonts in case of having the same fonts in your Mac by just an option of resolving duplicates under the File menu. You can resolve duplicates either automatically or manually.